Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you the use of some as well as any as determiners. Some means a small number, a very small number. There is always a confusion whether to use some or to use any. We'll discuss both of these. Some is followed by uncountable singular noun or countable plural noun. When it is followed by countable plural noun, it means a few or a small number. And usually it is used with affirmative or positive statement. But there are exceptions too. We cannot say that it is always so. We'll discuss the exceptions also later on. Let's take certain examples where we can use some and any. Any is usually used with question mark tags or with negative sentences. That is interrogative or negative sentences. For example, there are some good boys in the class. Are there any good boys in the class? So, in interrogative, we are using any. In affirmative, we are using some. There is some sugar in the box. Is there any sugar in the box? There is some tea in the teapot. Is there any tea in the teapot? There are some cricket players in the ground. So this is how some and any are used, which means some is being used over here in affirmative sentences, whereas any is being used with negatives as well as interrogative sentences. These are the main rules, but there are exceptions too. We know from the general rule that some is used with the affirmative or positive sentences, whereas any is used with interrogative or negative sentences. But there are exceptions. Let's see what those exceptions are. Where you are putting a question and you think the answer is going to be yes, you can use some. For example, can you pick some milk when you come back? You are expecting a yes. Also, in offers and requests, in such queries where you are offering something or you are making a request and it is a question form, you can use some. For example, would you like some coffee? Or you are asking a question where you think the answer is going to be yes, you can use some. And if you think the answer is going to be negative, then you can use any. For example, would he lend me any money? In negative implication, you are thinking that you are going to be negated or you are going to be given an answer in no. Or would you lend me some money? Here you are expecting that you will be given some money by the person you are asking. The second exception is the sentences which are positive or statements in formation, but they have negative implication. Here we use the words like hardly, rarely, never or without. We can use any in such statement sentences. For example, he has hardly any money in his pocket, or he never does any work. These are the sentences where the rules shift. The third exception is where we use any with singular countable noun. For example, when there is choice. Let us see the sentences. Take any of these two. It hardly matters which you take. Take any of these two. So there is a choice. take any train you like, or wear any shirt that you want. So here there is a choice. Doesn't matter which one you take, which one you wear. So we use any in place of some. So friends, that is all for today. Subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much.